What's up YouTube, TikTok and Twitch? It's your boy Plantain coming to you again with another video, unboxing video. This time we're doing two custom iPads for my boys, Sergio and Johan. Custom made. Let's unbox with me. Let's see how it goes. Let's see what it looks like. It's the 10th generation iPad, 64 gigs. Let's see how it is. Sweet peels. That factory smell. Alright. So as you can see, still fully packaged. That factory smells, like Christmas, but we're still in August. Neat. What is the name? I don't know if you can see the name. Custom. Let's boot this bad boy up. Let's see what it looks like. Let's see how much charge it comes with. Take a bite of that apple. Feel like Adam and Eve in the garden, yeah? They don't know. %79 charge. Not bad. Looks sweet. I'm gonna get it set up. But this is the unboxing. This is what it looks like. 10th gen Apple iPad.